going to create this Saber effect text. You can make your own channel logo using this effect. Let's create it. First of all, you have to download the Saber effect, link in the description. Create a new comp. Create a new solid. Choose any color you want. Now go to Effect, Video Copilot, and select Saber. Now click on Text, and write your text here. I am using Clip font. You can download this font, link in the description. Align the text properly. Now click on Text Layer, and go to Layer and select Auto Trace. Delete Text Layer. Now go to Trace Layer and copy the mask. And paste it on solid layer. And delete the trace layer. Now we have to make some changes on effects control. First, go to render setting, and change composite into transparent. Now go to customize core, change core type into layer mask. Now click on Start Offset, on first make it 100, and make it 0 on 7 seconds.